Unites.com, redefining Bollywood.
You are quoting some sort of a report that's run in the press. Frankly, the story of Commando 2 is also not even ready yet. So I think it's normal that people are enthusiastic, and there was a story that ran that said Commando 2 is starting at the end of the year and this will happen. We are aware of it. There's no truth to it. We haven't even sat down and had our first story discussion, let alone as to what is going to be the cast crew attached to the second one. Of course, it's an excellent idea. I'm saying that. All I'm responding to is that you're responding to a news report which is not true.
I don't know if it's several steps ahead or backward. I'm not too sure on that. But that was a different genre, and this is a different genre, and both are very close to me. That I was dealing with children working in cinema, because I used to work with a lot of the children in my advertising films, and I felt that there was a lacuna there, and I wanted to expose that. That's the reason I made. That was very personal. You know, well, this is not a personal film, but I personally enjoy action movies. So for me, it was wonderful doing an action film.
सर मेरी तो बुलेट राजा आ रही है जिसमें मेरा कैमियो है जो 6 सितंबर को रिलीज हो रही है. सो मैं इस समय उसके बारे में काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हूँ. That's what's happening.
In considering a few films, but not signed anything as of now.
Well, I'm doing Vishwaroop 2 with Kamal Haasan.
I think this will be the first performance by an Indian actor which will be out and out action, which has not been seen before. Like I said, though no harness, no cables will be used, and I'm very honored that they've considered me to be the action star and they've asked me to come, and we'll be doing a very good job, that I can assure you.
कमांडो का सीक्वल ज़रूर बनेगा और बहुत जल्द बनेगा, और हम लोगों ने तैयारी तो अभी से शुरू कर दी है. स्क्रिप्टिंग फेज में है अभी मूवी, और देखते हैं कि कब बनना शुरू होती है. बट आई कैन अश्योर यू दैट आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड, एंड दिस इज गोना बी बिगर फॉर श्योर. द एक्शन इज गोना बी मोर रिमार्केबल फॉर श्योर.
आई थिंक सभी सीन्स में बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत डाली थी, बिकॉज आई वांटेड ऑल द सीन्स टू बी रियली रिमार्केबल एंड नाइस. But I think especially थोड़ी सी दिक्कत आई थी when there was a little emotional scene when the entire family is killed in front of me. वो काफ़ी heavy duty emotional scene था, and जिसमें सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा आया वो था जब हम दोनों को ब्रिज से नीचे छलांग लगानी थी. I don't know how to swim, और पानी 0 डिग्री टेम्परेचर था because we were shooting in Manali, and since I don't know to swim I was very very scared, but I think that was the most exciting and the adrenaline was really nice.
मेरे लिए कमांडो की सबसे एक्साइटिंग बात थी जब कमांडो शुरू हुई थी, क्योंकि मुझे लगता था कि हिंदुस्तान में एक्शन मूवी, आउट एंड आउट एक्शन मूवी कोई बनाएगा नहीं. तो जब विपुल शाह ने डिसाइड किया और हम लोगों को कंफर्म हो गया था कि शूटिंग डेट्स मिल चुकी हैं, उस दौरान से मेरी एक्साइटमेंट ज़िंदगी में इतनी बढ़ गई थी जो अभी तक ख़त्म नहीं हुई है.
Thank you for watching. Click on the subscribe button and stay tuned.